Hi guys, I want to take you through the process of using a Bitcoin ATM which gonna give you money. So this is an ATM where you can cash in your money. So first of all I select English, then from there I say start. I say start, then it goes on, click on like that, then from there I select how much I want to draw, then I accept the terms and conditions of that. From here I'm gonna put my number now, so I put in my number. Okay, so let me put it, and from there I say proceed. This proceed, and it says proceed. It says, is this your number? I say yes, it's my number. Now processing. It is now processing my request. Yeah, so just give it a few minutes. From there it says enter SMS code sent to your phone, the one you sent. So you can say I check my phone for that code. Of course, you know they have to check it, and my code is 346477. So I put 346. So let me check again, 346477, 477, and I say proceed. So once I proceed, you say current maximum purchase amount is 230, and because I'd already bought some other bitcoins for $20, I was testing. I want to buy more. Now I say buy Bitcoin. I can also increase my purchase limit. Let me first of all say, let's see, and increase purchase limit. I can increase my purchase limit up to 2,000 ID transaction, up to 15,000 per transaction, and this ID documents SSN. So I can say ID, can add that. So let's see what happens here. Scan your barcode. So now here I'm supposed to open my phone and then scan this code. Scan this code. This code, I'm going to scan it. I'm opening my wallet now. So open my wallet. So the internet is a bit slow. Then I say yes. Then I proceed. Proceed now. So I'm gonna open my phone and hold the ID barcode steady 5 to 6 inches away from the scanner, and you do it. And then I come here now and go to request. I'm requesting to see my Bitcoin. Now remember, I'm on my phone. Say go to request Bitcoin, then I click on Bitcoin wallet. Then I get this code which I put down here and scan it. Scan it. I'm trying to scan it. Scan it. So to scan my code, it should be like this. Sorry, and put it upside down. So that just picked. Yeah, it is now processing. It has taken my code, and it says I should put in money here. So let's see. Let me go to the wallet and put some cash here. I'm creating some cash. You can put in the $20. Let me try the $10. Because I'm just doing a demo. So this $10 here. So I'm gonna put it here. And then it's done. Please wait, processing. Please wait. It's processing. It has taken the money. So okay. Cash inside PC3. Proceed. I'm done. I'm done. And this amount of Bitcoin I'm going to get. So keep here, I'm done. Almost. Please wait a moment. We send you your crypto. It has been sent to my wallet. I've inserted my wallet. Sorry, the video was a bit crafty because I was using the two phones. I'm recording and I'm also avoiding taking pictures of the store because I have to protect their privacy. But I asked them for permission to be able to take this video on the ATM so that people can see how the cryptos are being transferred. And so I've done that. So I'm going to pay a service fee of $3 and I'm gonna have that. So here it is, transaction in progress. Okay, now Bitcoin deposit has gone through. Print your receipt. Yes, I want a receipt for this transaction. And I come here and I'm waiting for my receipt to come out. Okay, now the receipt has come out. Then I take my receipt, and this is the receipt for my transaction. Good. Awesome. So you will receive an SMS after you send to your digital cryptocurrency will be sent to the foreign wallet. That's my handles wallet. So that's how it is. Then I can just log out of my account and I have done. So this is the Bitcoin ATM machine, and that is basically how it is. You can buy, you can sell, and you can do anything you want. Thank you guys.